Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you contact Fiverr customer support. To begin with, open up your browser. You could use any web browser, whichever is convenient for you. On the web address bar, type in fiverr.com. This will direct you to their official page. Right on this field, you want to scroll down right to the bottom, and here you could find, so right in between you could see this for client section. This is where you could go ahead and contact Fiverr. You could go ahead and click on any of these topics, and when you go ahead and click on the link, it's going to direct you to the next field where you could go ahead and read about all the statements and all that. And this way you'll be able to contact Fiverr, or if you want to contact them through an email or maybe a phone number, then open up a new tab, type in Fiverr customer support and hit enter. Click on the first link that appears, that is help.fiverr.com, and here you could go ahead and select the category. You could also find Fiverr Pro Help Center. You could go to this section, and this way you'll be able to contact Fiverr support. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.